Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You should first confirm you have a legitimate license and permission to activate Office. Contact your IT or licensing contact to obtain the proper product key or volume license information. Once done, make sure you're using an administrator account on the PC and that date, time, and time zone are correct, because activation checks rely on those. If you're in an organization, verify whether your environment uses KMS or a different activation method before proceeding to avoid configuration mismatches. Now follow official activation flows. Open any Office app, go to Account, and use Change Product Key or the Activate option with the key provided by your organization. For personal or home editions, run Microsoft's Activation Troubleshooter and sign in with the Microsoft account tied to your purchase. If you're in an enterprise environment, coordinate with your IT team to ensure the KMS host is properly published and reachable, or use a multiple activation key, MAC, if that is the approved method. Finish by confirming Office shows product activated in the Account section and Test Core features to ensure full functionality. If activation fails, run Office Repair from Programs and Features, install pending Windows updates, and reboot. These steps often resolve transient issues. If problems persist, record exact error codes or messages and escalate to your IT administrator or Microsoft support so they can validate licensing on the server side and provide an approved resolution. Do not use
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.